Hey everybody, got a lot of requests from last time for video of unboxing or unwrapping these things, so I'm gonna try to hold the camera in one hand and unwrap with the other and see what we find in these. Alright, here I'm gonna go. If it looks bad, sorry, but alright. Yeah, another Leechmere bag. So let's see what we got at Leechmere's. Oh, this is not easy. Hold on. Alright. Oh, look, vanilla fudge. Oh, yeah, vanilla fudge. Oh, I know this one. This is the Crying Shames. So this one's open. So what he would do is play the record, open it, play it once, then put it back in the bag. So a lot of these are either sealed or just played once. So the Crying Shames got played. Walter Brennan sealed. Got the cutout. See, there's a cutout bin right there. The cutout. All right, what else we got? Little Jimmy Dempsey. There you go. Not sure. Looks like a country record. Oh, it is. Guitar Country right there. There you go. All right, what we got? The Visitor's Neptune. Oh, that looks interesting. What label is this? Cobblestone. All right. It's a jazz record. So, the Visitors. What we got here? Gasoline. I asked and she gave me gasoline. Oh man, this looks cool. What is this? The Hollies. Are they performing around here somewhere, the Hollies? This one's sealed. Cut corner. There you go. Straight out the discount bins. Still sealed. Another gasoline. Multiple copies lots of times. Is it an open one? Yeah, this one's open, so there you go. One open, one sealed. And David Frost, Las Vegas. Alright, let's see what's in the rest of this Leechmere bag. Two more in here. Feels like two more. Alright, what else is in here? Oh, of course, two David Frost from Las Vegas. And compilation 30 Goldens. There you go. Oh, this is one of those radio station ones. Yeah, KAKC solid gold. Is this sealed? Nope, this one was open. There you go. That's the Leechmere bag. Let's go to the rest of this bag here. No store name, so pull these out. This one is, oh, look at that, Genesis nursery. Wow, played once, opened. All right, we got here. There you go, Willie and the Red Rubber Band. This open. English Muffins, Mystic Mood. This one is sealed. There you go. What else we got here? Bear with me, doing this one-handed here. O'Connor, whoever O'Connor was, sealed. Yep, it's sealed. There you go, another one. All. What is that? Charlie Fox. And sealed. There you go, this is sealed. More hair music. Okay. What else is here? What else is here? What else is here? Oh, looks like a compilation. Yep, live. There you go, comp. Bum, 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 bum. As seen on TV. Compilation. Bum, bum, bum. Rockin' Easy. Still sealed. Another compilation. Very indicative of the bins of that day. A lot of compilations in those bins back in the day. Alright, what else you got here? There you go. Original rock and roll biggies. Never seen this comp. Love the graphics on it. Nice graphics. Very cool. Alright, what's down here? A Buddha compilation. Yep, it's opened. Probably just paid once. No shrink on this one. Must have came off. Oh, James Brown on the good foot. Nice. Look at that. I think it's minty. James Brown. The shrink must have ripped off or something, but there you go. James Brown. What's this on the bottom here? There you go. Another radio station compilation. Alright, that's this is open. But yep, that's the first pile. I'm gonna try to break these up into videos. Alright, bye. Peace.